To enable or disable loud sound alerts on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, first of all, we need to swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and we're gonna go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we can scroll down to find the Health option. Then here in Samsung Health Settings, we can find Hearing. So let's tap on that. And in order to be able to receive alerts when we are somewhere in an environment where it is loud, then sound monitoring has to be enabled. And then here we have the loud sound alerts option. And of course, we can easily toggle it by tapping on the switcher. Now, besides that, we can tap on the option itself to select the threshold. So if you want, for example, the limit to be 100 decibels, if you want to be informed about loud sounds when you reach 100 decibels, or when the sound reaches 100 decibels, then of course you can set it up over here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.